In this Shopify Advertorial landing page design tutorial, I will show you how to create a advertorial page into your Shopify store for completely free using a drag and drop page builder. So in this video, we'll build a Shopify advertorial page just like Blissy.com. So this I'll show you how to create a page like Blissy, how you can design a model advertorial page like Blissy for your Shopify products, and I will show you step by step how you can do that and create advertorial landing page for your Shopify store. And also, if you want to skip this building process and you want to get the ready-made templates, the Blissy and other 3 templates from Jabi Coffee and other 2 successful advertorial pages, then you will find a link in the description. You can purchase those templates and use those instantly inside your Pagefly. But if you don't have money to invest, then you can follow this tutorial step by step and build it yourself, or you can skip the process by purchasing those templates. The link will be given in the description. So without any delay, let's get started with the tutorial and let's begin the advertorial landing page design for your Shopify store and how we can do that by ourselves for our products, so we can bring cold traffics and make them purchase our product using those advertorial landing page secret design hack. So let's begin. So the first step we need is to have a Shopify store. So you can create a Shopify store if you have not. I will put a link in the description where you can get $3 for 3 months. That means you will only pay $1 for next 3 months. This is a special deal. You will find the link in the description. And the next thing we need is to install the Pagefly app. So you will find the link in the description as well. Just install Pagefly app, click on install app. In your case it will be install app. Just click it and this will install the app in your store. So this is the app that we will be using, the drag and drop and easy to use builder to create our advertorial pages. The next thing we need is to have a sample page. So in that case, we are creating a advertorial page just like Blissy. So you can find the ready-made template link in the description as I showed earlier. And other thing we need to decide is what font and color we will be using. Like as I already button color and the background color, I already copied them, and I will use the Poppins and Montserrat font in the whole page. So after installing Pagefly, this is my Shopify store where you will find Pagefly after installing it. So you need to go to apps and you will find Pagefly here. So click on Pagefly and it will open the Pagefly dashboard. Now we will start creating the advertorial page inside our Shopify store using the Pagefly app. Then click on pages. Alone in your case it will be blank. In my case you can see other pages because I have already used it. In your case there will be 0 pages if you are using the Pagefly for the first time. Then click on create blank page and click on create regular page. Okay, then it will open the Pagefly editor. Then we need to start doing the design. Okay, so it will load the editor and just there is some basic to understand, then we can start doing this. So first of all, you can just click on 3 dots, go to page setting, and you can just change the title to untitled to something else like Blissy or according to your product. Okay, and this will give the title here as well, page URL /page/. So it will be Blissy, anything related to your product. Okay, then in our advertorial page we don't want to show header footer because we are driving traffic, cold traffic to our pages, and will redirect people to our product page. So we don't want to people to click other links from our store like footer, privacy policy, etc. We don't want to do that. We will link privacy policy pages in the bottom. If you see, we can link that like terms of use and privacy policy. We can do that. Okay, we can just link that buttons to our product pages to the people who are interested. So you can see this is the advertorial pages format as well, where we are not selling the product, we are selling the solution for that product, like what makes this pillow, something like this. Okay, you get the idea. Then click on save, then click on save, and then click on cross. Now let's start doing the design. So first of all, if you see this website, it has a logo in the top. So what we need to do, we need to click on add element and then click on layout and take this one. Okay, then we need to, it will take a whole row. Then click on add element again. These are the elements that we will add in our page. Like if you want a slideshow, we can add that. If we want to heading, we will add that. If we want a paragraph, a button, we will add those elements. So how to add those elements? In that case, I have a logo, so I will find the image element here. Click on image element and drag the image element inside this column. Okay, click on select image and then upload your image from your PC. How to upload it? Click on upload and upload the images that you want to add. Go to your folder, and in that case I will use those images in the page, and the logo is already uploaded, so I don't require it to upload again. So after uploading it, just select the image and click on select and it will be there. But we want to decrease the size. Click on no and then decrease the size, because if you make the size larger, it will be blur. The images quality will not be good. And then there is a style panel. Go to that and horizontally align, make it in the middle. So if we want to the space to be less, we just need to click on the section, and in the section there is a blue line. Then go to the padding and then put it 0, so that space will be decreased. I will make it 10 and 10 in the top and bottom. As well, it will be default 20 and 20 in the top and bottom. Now come to this area where we have two sections divided. In the left we have these elements, all those text, and in the right we have this. We have this, where if people click on this button, it will go to our product pages. So if you want the optimized product pages, I have a few 14 editable Pagefly templates, which you will find in the link in the description. So let's go back to this tutorial. So we just need to click on add element, and then we need to go to layout, and we need to take this 2 column option. Okay, works fine. Now let's begin. So there is a heading, so I'll copy the heading, and if you want to know how many font size it is using, we have a, if you find a example page where you are copying the layout from that example page, like Blissy, like Jappy Coffee, all the template is there. So you just need to add this Chrome extension called what font. Okay, so this is the Chrome extension. So you just need to enable the Chrome extension, click on this, and you can see this is using 36 pixel, this is using 22 pixel, and what font it is using? DM Sans, but I will use Poppins and Montserrat. Okay, so let's go here, and let's, as you can see, this column is, it is divided into 15 to 50. But if you see in our case, the left one is larger than the right one. So what we will do, we will drag this line from here just like this. So we'll make the left one larger and the right one is smaller, just like our example website. Okay, now click on add element. Okay, go to heading and drag one heading element here. Then go to styling of the heading element, go to general of the heading element, make this headline H1, because we need one H1 in our whole store. So this will be the H1. So paste it here, then go back here, go to margin, make it 0, then go to your font family and call your font family like Poppins or anything. I have already selected the Poppins, the Poppins is there. So I'll go to Poppins, click on Poppins. As you can see, it is already there. So what adjustment I can do, I can go to more setting and make this semi bold. Then I will make the font size larger, like 35 pixel or 40 pixel, as we like. Okay, as you like. 40, no, it should not be 40. I think it is 32 is good enough. Okay, then go to color, make it pure black. Okay, or you can have your own color code. So this is looking good. Now come to this one. Okay, now go back to plus add element, and this will be a paragraph. Click on add paragraph and drag it here. Then go to general and paste the text here. Then come back here, make the margin 0 first of all. We'll give the margin later, and then go back here, make it this, and then this will be 25 or 24, 25. Okay, then go to mode setting and make it medium. Okay, now go to margin, give some margin, 10 top and 10 bottom, whatever fixed fit you. Now let's make it italic, as you can see, an underline. So click on Ctrl A or drag your mouse just like this, put this italic, put this underline. Okay, now we can do all the adjustment. Okay, all the adjustment, we can make it mobile responsive, everything will be covered, so don't worry. So copy this and come here, click on add element again, go to paragraph and drag a paragraph here under this one, and paste it here. Go to styling and like before, make it 0. Okay, make it 0. Go here and make the font family to Poppins, and this is good enough. Now come to this one where we have a headline with a background. So how we can do that? Okay, so let's tackle this one. So in that case, I will copy this paragraph and drag this under this one, right? This one, okay, and then I will just decrease its font size. Then we can use a background color. So this is the background color code for this. Click this paragraph, go to styling, and there is a background color. Paste the code here. Okay, now click on make it center align. Now if you see this design with 1000 this, so control, so I'll copy it, go to general and paste it here. So I'll just remove the italic version, all of those, okay, from there, and go to styling and go to mode setting and make it regular. Okay, then I can go to the padding 5 top, 5 bottom, 5 top, 5 bottom, and left, just like this. Okay, so if I want to make it smaller, what I can do, I can go here, and if I can make this one little bit larger, I think this will work. So let's make it in the single line. If you can see, this is in the single line. So if you want to make it in the single line, just decrease the font size. This will be good enough, or decrease it from here as well. This will be good enough as well. So just like this, whatever fits our case, this will be good enough, right? So you can see this looks good. Now there is an image. Okay, so I will come here, click on add element, and then go to image and drag an image under this one. Okay, that's good. Go to general, click on select image and upload your image. I already uploaded all the images, so this is the image. I will use this one, no issue with it, and the image will be uploaded, right? The image is uploaded. But if you see, there is a round in the images. How you can add that? Click on the image, go to styling, and in the border we can find more setting and add some border radius 10 in the both sides. Now it will be same corner in the images. If you want to give some shadow, go to here and scroll down, click on enable shadow, and as you can see, some shadow has been added to that image. Okay, as you can see, some shadow has been added. You can customize the shadow, like if it is not if you don't like it, you can give some less shadow, just like this, as you can see. Okay, and now you can see there is another box here, something like this one, right? So I'll just copy this one. The color is only different, so I'll duplicate it and drag it under the image, right? Drag it under the image. But if you want to give a just like this, so then what we need to do, you need to click on it, go to border, and then give some border style just like this. Click on this, okay, enable this, and then just, okay, it is not border radius, so make it 0, and let's make it 0 and make the left one only 3. As you can see, now we have a border in the left side. Now you can just change the color of this and change the text of this. Okay, you get the point. Okay, now we have this text. So let's add those text. How we can add those? We can click on add element, and we need to add a paragraph, right? Here is a paragraph. So paragraph, drag the paragraph under this one, and then we need to go to, first of all, make it 0, then give 10, give the color black. Okay, make it Poppins, give it 18 pixel, then just copy them. Okay, copy them, just press enter, come here, give this text, enter, paste. Okay, enter, paste, then this, enter, paste. Okay, so now you can see we have already, this has been added. Now we have another heading which is not similar to the top one, but something similar, like, right? So I will just duplicate this one, a heading, but I will drag this here and I will make this one to H2 because H1 can be only used once, but this font size is lesser, so it is 28 pixels. I'll go to styling and go to here and make it 28 pixel, as you can see. So if the space is required, you can do that. Now that same type of headline is here, same type of paragraph is here, so I can just duplicate this paragraph and just drag it here, right? So this is good. So just like this we can make all those changes. So I'll give some margin here. So I'll give some margin here. Now come to this. Okay, now come to the right side. Let's cover this, then we'll go to the bottom of the page again. So this area, what we will do, we will, as you can see, we have this one with a logo, with a headline, right? And then there is some margin. So what I'll do, I'll click on the I will click on add element and then go to layout to take a block. Okay, to take a block, and then I will go to the border and then just decrease it, and for the radius I will give 10 pixel. Okay, and then for this image, just let's duplicate it and drag it under this block, and for the block let's give some padding, so it has some space in the top and bottom, just like this. Okay, and for the image let's make it much more smaller because it is smaller here, so give it 150. So now it looks better, right? So we have a heading. So for the heading we have a paragraph, so let's put this one here. You will never sleep again on cotton, so just paste it here, just do the styling, make it center, just decrease it and go to the block, and then like top and bottom give some left and right, so there is a space in the left and right, and then there is the image of the Blissy. So I will just need to click on add element, then click on image and then drag the image here, then click on general, go to select and then select the image, and no original. Okay, now it is looking better. Now there is some paragraphs, so copy all of them, go here, then copy this paragraph from here, paste it here, and just like this, go to styling, give it a color of black, go to bottom, and this will looks good, right? Now we have a button. Okay, we have a button. So how we can add this button? Okay, so let's do that. Let's do this. So if you want this want to add a button like this, we need to click on add element. Okay, then go to button. Okay, then go to button and then drag a button here. Okay, and the color of the button is this, the background color. So add a button below this, I think. So this will be much better, or inside this one is also good. So let's go to the button, make it center align, give this the background color, and then go to font, make it Poppins, right? Make it Poppins, increase it to 22 pixel, go to general, make it full width. Okay, then check availability, change the text, check availability. Okay, then go to here, go give some margin, go in this area, make it okay, and then we can give this a round corner just like this, and then we can just redirect this button to one of the product page, right? So go to select URL and select your product page, the Blissy product page that you made or want to redirect, right? So this is how it will work. Okay, this is how it will work. So this template is already ready, so I am not focusing on each and every minor details. So if you want to make it everything similar like the Blissy website, then we just need to put some effort, right? We just need to put some effort and make it as close as possible with the mobile responsive everything in case. Now let's move to the let's check the mobile responsive things. So how to check the mobile responsive things? Click on all device, go to mobile, and now if you think this logo is larger in mobile, go to general and then click on no and put the code here, and then if you want to remove the space, go to styling, put 0. If you want to change the heading size only for mobile, click on the heading, go here, put it 25 pixel, I think will be best, and for this 20 pixel will be best. Okay, same goes for this, same goes for this. I think 25 will be best for the heading. Okay, and this already looks good, no issue with it, no issue with it, so it looks good. Now if we want to complete the whole page, there is a headline in the middle, so I'll just duplicate this headline, drag this under the paragraph. If I want to make it in the middle, I'll make it just like that. And if I want to change the color of the font, for color of the headline, I can do that, right? I can do that, no issue with it. Then an image, same image, something like this, so I'll just duplicate that image and let's replace that image with another image. Okay, just replace the image with another image, no issue with it. So if the image space is not great, click on the image, go to styling and give some image margin, okay, 15 or something like this. Okay, then come here, there is an heading again, so this area, so just duplicate this heading because it is already mobile responsive, so just duplicate it. Then we need some paragraph, so same goes here, just click on paragraph, click on duplicate, and then just paste it here. So this is it. So this how you can do the entire pages, right? Entire pages, we have these things duplicating couple of times like this element, so you can just take some time and make the design. And there is a availability button in the bottom, a large availability button, so you get the idea how to do the design, how to take a block inside Pagefly and everything, right? So this how you can do the design, and you can make a footer adding those logos as well. Okay, but if you don't want to do the hard work, you always have the option of purchasing those 4 editable Shopify advertorial pages with all the mobile responsive. The link will be in the description, as I already said. So you can make a footer, you can just do the copy paste duplicating, change the content, change the images. The footer is already very easy, just drag a new section, right? Just drag a new section here, just drag a new section here. Then we need to give a background color. Okay, we need to give a background color. In that case, the background color will be black. Okay, then we have this headline. Okay, we have this paragraph with the courtesy, so I'll just duplicate, make it center, and then copy this from here, and then I will come here and change it to white, and then this. Okay, it is already done, so I'll go to styling and make it the top 10, and then we have some other thing. This is advertisement, not actual use, or something like this. And then I will copy this again, and then go here, paste it here, and come to this, make everything 0, make this as well 0. So now we have a footer. So now this how you can make a advertorial pages, a very easily drag and drop builder with Pagefly. Okay, you get the idea. This is very easy to make, and you just link your buttons to the actual product page. So you are calling the cold traffic, the people who does not understand that they need the product, but if they see the benefits, the changes that this product will bring in their day-to-day life, just like the Blissy is doing with their pillow. Okay, they take the headline like, what makes this pillowcase the most sought after gift of 2023. They're not telling people, okay, let's buy this one, and they're just telling the story of the customer. You will never sleep again on cotton again, we know that a silk pillow. They're telling a story. They are just relating to the people who sleep, but their sleep can get better using this product. They're telling a story with the people who may not the hot traffic right now, who may not purchase straight away, but if they read this, if they get see the transformation of people using this product, then they will get interested, and then they will click the check availability button, and this will redirect them to the product page, which you can make the branded product page using Pagefly as well. I have a complete tutorial on that. I will link those in the description as well, so you can check this out. So this how you can make a complete mobile responsive and very easily make a Shopify advertorial page into your Shopify store using Pagefly app. If you like the video, do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also let me know in the comment as well. So thank you very much for watching the video.